नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं दयानंद नेने अलर्ट सिटीजन्स फोरम का जो अवेयरनेस कार्यक्रम हमारा चालू है उसमें आप सबको इस नई किस्त में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू दिस न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ आवर अवेयरनेस कैंपेन रिगार्डिंग वेरियस गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स रन बाय आवर एनजीओ अलर्ट सिटीजन्स फोरम ऑफ इंडिया। Friends, today we are going to talk about a new act which has been amended and passed in the parliament in the month of September. This act concerns giving protection to healthcare people, be it doctors, nurses, paramedics or other safai kambas, etc. Friends, we call doctors as मैसेंजर्स ऑफ गॉड्स। हिंदी में तो डॉक्टरों को भगवान का रूप मानते हैं। कोरोना की महामारी जब से शुरू हुई है तब डॉक्टरों की भूमिका बहुत ही अहम रही है और डॉक्टरों ने भी दिन रात एक करके इस महामारी का मुकाबला किया है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जल्द से जल्द ठीक हो जावे और जल्दी अपने घर पे जाके सामान्य जीवन फिर से व्यतीत करना शुरू करे। इसीलिए डॉक्टरों ने, नर्सेस ने, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ ने, हॉस्पिटल के स्टाफ ने, सारों ने मिलके बहुत कड़ी मेहनत की है गत 8-9 महीनों में और हम सबको इनके प्रति शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए। वी ऑल शुड बी थैंकफुल to the doctors and paramedics, nurses and the support staff who have been slogging out day in day out during the pandemic to see that people get well soon, they are cured of corona and can resume their daily life as soon as possible. फिर भी many times, friends, we hear unfortunate stories of doctors and paramedical staff being attacked by people who are angry over certain incidents or possibly loss of life of some of their near and dear ones. These attacks have been going all around the country, and when one gets to know about such attacks, one's heart goes out and reaches out to the doctors, and we realize how thankless their job often is. To give such healthcare staff, be it the doctors, be it the nurses, be it the paramedical or the support staff, protection against such attacks which are taken on them by some miscreants or some people who have been misled by emotions, the Modi government in the month of April itself came out with an ordinance seeking to amend and empower the Epidemic Diseases Act, an old act of the year 1897. This act, with this ordinance, has now become an act in the month of September when both the houses of the parliament have passed the bill amending the Epidemic Diseases Act. As per this act, attacks on doctors or paramedics or nurses or any of the healthcare personnel have been recognized as a cognizable offense, and the act seeks to give protection to the entire healthcare fraternity who are striving to help people. Any damage done to the residences or workplace or property of these healthcare personnel will be treated as a cognizable offense, and a formal complaint can be lodged against the miscreants by the healthcare people who are affected with the local police. A senior level person with the rank of a police inspector will be assigned to investigate such matters or such attacks, and he has to complete his investigation and file the report within 30 days. The case then will go on to a fast track court where the courts will have to pronounce their judgment within an year, and the culprits will be either penalized with a jail term ranging from 2 to 7 years and or a penalty ranging from 50,000 to 2 lakhs. Friends, as we said earlier, doctors and the paramedic staffs are really slogging it out day in and day out for our wellness, and it is up to us, all the common citizens of the country, to respect them and see to it that no untoward incidents happen against them. And if at all any unfortunate incidents do happen, we have to be alert and see that the miscreants are booked under this Epidemic Diseases Act. So much for today. Thank you.